My brother William Ruto, this is the time to call it a day. Don't even try to argue. God gave you that position, that platform, that you became the president of this nation because he wanted you to deal with the dynasties in Kenya. Because God wanted you to change the pattern, to change the systems of this Kenya so that we can have a revolution working. You see now, the revolution has been transferred to Tanzania, then it will come back. And when it will come back, it will come in a big and heavy hand. Tanzania, they will be able to liberate their country, but you, who was given the position to do so, you refused. Instead, you joined hands with them. And you are trying to come again together to defeat the plan of God. Mr. Ruto, whatever you are trying to do now, it is you are trying to obstruct the plan of God. You are trying to obstruct what God wants to initiate in this country. It will not work. It will work against you. You will be destroyed. You will be pulled down. Don't allow yourself to be put into shame. You're a man of God. I hear so say that you're a Christian. Read the Bible well. Listen to God and ask God, what do you want over this nation? Am I doing whatever am I doing? Is it right? Don't go campaigning. Don't go bragging. Don't go telling people utawashinda asubuhi na mapema. It is not you. Remember when you won the election, you said you were prayed into power. The same machinery that was praying for you are now praying against you. If they were hard that time, they also be hard this time. And that is the most dangerous thing. Look at your friend Kaguta Museveni, the man who was trying to control all of us, control and make sure things are working in East Africa. Our father, that is what you used to call him. He is now in his sick bed. He's not even campaigning, but he is trying to push and force things to work. They will not work. East Africa is no longer now in the hands of people. It is in the hands of God. God has just decided to do his job, to clear his house so that the revival can be reinvented. That is why you see the other day you were in Bondo, laying down one of the strongholds of this nation. And you had nothing to do. You had nothing. You are just people going there to look at his grave and then they go back. As we are waiting for another to fall, and another to fall, and another to fall, may you learn very fast and change this situation.